Welcome to the POCO C40 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on that device. So first let's open the settings application and then we should click on the sounds and vibration. After that you'll see here the ringtone volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone you should hold and swipe to the left side this volume panel, and that's it. Also you can make it by the second way. Just first you should press up or down volume button on the right side of your phone, then we should click here on these three dots, and after that we should move this middle volume panel to the down with our finger by this way. So as you can see, that's so simple, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.